Hi, Salam. My name is Maysam Mitalipova. I am a scientist Uygur at the Whitehead Institute at MIT here in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Today I want to bring attention to a virus outbreak in China, Wuhan, and its effect to Xinjiang, East Turkestan. We know that the virus is already outside of the around the world, and especially we worry, I particularly worry about the outbreak in Xinjiang, East Turkestan. And why? Because up to 3 million of Uyghur people and other Turkic people are in detention in concentration camps. If the virus will get into the concentration camps, this can be a catastrophic situation, not only for Uyghur people, not only for China, but it can be a catastrophic situation for entire world. And why? Because people are in detention, have no place to go, so they are overcrowded in those those detention centers, and we know that they have a poor hygiene, a lack of proper food, and they can contaminate each other. The virus can spread very quickly. And death toll, knowing that this virus is deadly, the death toll could be thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, up to 1 million in very short period of time. As a scientist, as an activist, and on behalf of Campaign for Uyghur, I am asking World Health Organization, Amnesty International, and the United Nations to pressure China to close those concentration camps and let people to go home to avoid this catastrophic situation and this death toll. Thank you.